I'm Steve Becker. I'm the chairman of the Nez Perce Water Conservation District. In 1996, we had a serious flood event in the Hatwai Creek watershed and other regional streams.
When we had floods in 1996 and 1997, we had a whole new discussion about floodplains, how floodplains are developed, stream bank erosion, and how it could threaten people's property and their lives. What we were trying to do was to be able to allow the community some level of safety while still letting the normal processes go on in the stream. One of the main things we did here was to create some floodplain surface so that the water could get out and dissipate its energy out on this vegetated floodplain and not use all that energy wiping out the bed and banks as it moved all of the rocks down channel. Floodplain management and stream channel management and floods, they're all going to happen. People are always going to want to live in a safer spot than in a more risky spot, and hopefully we can convey what those spots look like and how to do that management so that everybody's goals are met, at least to the extent that's physically possible.
I've been here since 1954 and I appreciate everything that they can do to stop the erosion and help rebuild this floodplain.